EVIKE Tornado custom speed up motor made by EVIKE.com in my G&G CM16 Raider DST long barrel, and it is a really fast motor, so I'm going to show you how fast this guy shoots. As you can see, it's just a steady line of BBs. It's insanely accurate, insanely fast. This motor, most G&G motors go about 18,000 RPM. This one goes 40,000, so it'll make your gun shoot just about twice as fast. It's insanely. Eventually, since I have not very good gearbox in this, it will slow down, but for bursts and stuff, it is a very good motor.